Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get the MetaMask extension. First, navigate to the official MetaMask website to ensure you're downloading the legitimate extension. This is crucial for your security. Once there, you'll see options for various browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Choose your browser and click the Install MetaMask button. Your browser will then ask for confirmation to add the extension. Simply click Add Extension to proceed. After installation, click the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar. You'll be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import wallet. If you're new, select Create a new wallet. If you already have one, choose Import wallet and follow the steps. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms of use. Finally, create a robust password. This password will protect your wallet on your device, so make it memorable but complex. This is the most critical step, securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will show you a short video explaining its importance. You'll then be given a 12-word phrase. Write this down precisely in the correct order on paper. Do not store it digitally. Keep multiple copies in different, secure, offline places. This phrase is your master key. Losing it means losing access forever, and sharing it means giving away your assets. To finalize setup, MetaMask will ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase by re-entering a few specific words. This ensures you've correctly recorded it. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is ready to use. For convenience, pin the MetaMask icon to your browser's toolbar. You can now explore the world of decentralized applications, manage your cryptocurrencies, and interact with various blockchain services securely and efficiently. Welcome to Web3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.